My name is Jodi and I'm the Patient Experience Specialist at Signature Medical Group. What I do in my role is work with various departments within Signature Medical Group to help elevate the patient experience. And I do that by putting tools, resources, and programs in place to support those various groups. I think that there's a huge link between patient satisfaction and patient safety. I think that extends throughout the whole organization. So whatever we can do to really elevate the patient experience ties very neatly in with patient safety and protecting our patients from harm, and our employees as well. Well, I mean, culture of safety means that we protect our patients and our employees from the time they walk into our doors through the time they leave our parking lot. We need to make sure that we're really protecting them from any kind of harm, whether we see some kind of crack in the sidewalk that will prevent them from getting safely to our door. We all are responsible for that. Oftentimes you hear safety really resides with the clinical staff, with the physician, with the nurse, with the medical assistant, and I don't feel that that's really the case. I think anybody that works within the organization really needs to be responsible for safety. The types of things that we're really trying to hit when we talk about culture of safety are really anything that would harm the patient, anything from a slip or a fall out in the parking lot to walking up the stairs and slipping. Generally, any kind of medical mistake. It's really about having people slow down, stop and think about what they're doing or what they're seeing, and making sure that they look at it in a way that will have a positive outcome for our patients and our staff. I think it's definitely about being in the moment, but it's really pausing and looking at that moment, because it's a moment that you're never going to get back. If there's any kind of mistake made, that's not something that you're going to be able to take back. And no matter what you do to try to correct it, it's still there and it's always going to be there. And I'm sure people that are victims of medical mistakes, it's always going to be there for them. But I can imagine that anybody that has caused a mistake, that's been responsible for a mistake, really wish they could have that moment back and take that pause and really look at it and make the right decision at that time. The biggest obstacles are people who are going to think that this initiative is just kind of a flavor of the month, that it's, you know, something that's not really here to stay, that we're just kind of picking and choosing from various initiatives. I mean, but if you take the Lean initiative, it's been here for several years. It hasn't gone away. Generally, when our organization selects things to focus on, they're really things that are long-term things. And I can't see anything more long-term and more important than focusing on patient and employee safety.